Are unwanted emails from the same sender constantly filling up your Gmail inbox? In this video, I will show you how to block any email sender in Gmail. Before starting, all of you are most welcome in my channel Techie Dialogue. First, open the email that you want to block the person. Then, click on the three dot on the top. There you can see block option with that person's name. Click on it. A white box will pop up and again click on block for final confirmation. That's it, my friend. As you can see, the sender is blocked. If this guide helped you take control of your Gmail inbox, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.